products. So right after I did the steaming, the next step is to exfoliate. And what's really great about this exfoliating is that it's not aggressive with the amount of exfoliants that are in here. So you're just gonna use this and put it on your skin. It smells fantastic and is very cooling. You're gonna just scrub it on your face for a couple of minutes, and then you're gonna leave it on your face for at least 3 to 5 minutes. I always put products long on my skin, so I did keep this on for 5 minutes prior to washing it off. The next step after washing the exfoliant off your face is the fun part, and that is to dip yourself in 24 karat gold. Dead Sea Mud Mask has so many great attributes to it that if I went through it, this video would minimally be 30 minutes long, so I will leave all that information down below for you to read through, and I do highly recommend you going to the website for you to check it out for yourself, just because, like I said, there are so many amazing things packed in this little jar right here that it is literally what it is, a miracle. You can keep this mud mask on your face for 10 to 20 minutes. I did leave it on for 20 minutes. What's really nice also about it is that it does not harden on your skin, which I prefer masks that do not harden on my skin. After I'm done washing the mask off my face, I do spray my face with a toner to prepare myself for the next step, which of course is the serum. So the serum is really key because you want to replenish your face full of antioxidants and moisture. So this has vitamin C and as well as hyaluronic acid, which are two key parts to any skincare regime. So these three together are kind of powerhouses if you ask me. I've been really excited to share with you this skincare regime, as like I mentioned, I've been using it for 3 weeks straight, and I have been loving the results, and I cannot wait to continue to use it to see how amazing my skin is going to look. All the information is down below for these products, and I really invite you to check out their products and seeing if they can make a difference in your skincare routine.